Hi guys, this side is Umesh Vadhwa. Thank you for visiting our website. Uh, we repair all type of iPhones for most probably for the screen and battery replacement. Screen battery replacement. We provide doorstep service for the iPhone 5s, 6, 7, 6s, 7, 7s, 7 plus 8, etc. All model doorstep. At doorstep, our technician will change the battery for your phone, and we also provide for the higher end model, the iPhone 11, 12, 13. But sometimes it's required to pick up drop. Okay. We are doing mobile doorstep repair service since 3 years, 3 or 3.5 years. We completed more than 2,500 orders we have completed till yet. Okay. To place the order, you can fill the form or contact us. We will give you code if it is suitable to you. Our technician Amol Jain, most probably will Amol Jain will come to your address and fix your mobile. So we are very experienced. You have to take it easy, and we are local here. We are belong from Pune only. You can place your order confidently, and we are very experienced peoples. In this mobile line, we are from 12 years. First, we were at starting phase. We were at Dange Chowk mobile zone. It was in 2008. Okay, then we was in Pimpri Sai Chowk. Then we was in Pimpri. It was in from 2013 to 2018 March. Then we started the work for the online services in various sectors, the second mobiles or repairing etc. Then we are mainly providing mobile repairing services. Okay. And our pricing are very reasonable, and our product we use are also of good quality. These are the sustainable, the life minimum life of 2.5 year 2 years. Okay. Most probably we use the OEM product, which are not the made by original Apple company, certified by Apple, but these are the made by the OEM companies. These are the reputed company which manufacture spare parts. Okay. And but if you require to original, then we also provide these type of original. But the most probably people for iPhone 5s, 5, 6s, 6, 7, 8 till 8, or many people, or also for X, they don't prefer to go to spend higher amount on the repair side, though say for these model people prefer OEM product. But these are also sustainable. We use good quality products. Okay. So now you can contact me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. आप हमको प्लेस कर सकते हैं ऑर्डर रिपेयर के लिए. हम आपको 100% सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलेगा. आपको मतलब हम पहले कस्टमर प्रायोरिटी रखते हैं. पहले हम वैसे नहीं सोचते कमाना है, पैसा चाहिए ही चाहिए. पैसा हमारा प्रायोरिटी नहीं रहता है. हमारा प्रायोरिटी रहता है आपका आईफोन एप्पल फ़ोन अच्छे से बन जाए आपका, या कोई भी दूसरा MI वगैरह कोई भी फ़ोन रहेगा. प्रायोरिटी हमारा वैसे रहता है कि कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन प्रायोरिटी रहता है. पैसा तो चलो ठीक है, हम कुछ उसके बाद मोबाइल रिपेयर होने के बाद भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है, वही सेम सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम, तो हम संभाल के लेते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ देख लेते हैं, एडजस्ट करते हैं. क्या बहुत सारी मतलब हम कस्टमर को सेटिस्फेक्शन देना हमारा प्रायोरिटी रहता है. मेन पहले हमारा वो नहीं रहता है कि कमाना है ऐसा ये, इतना पहला प्रायोरिटी हमारा रहता है कि कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन. Thank you for watching my video.